Good morning, students. It's Wonderful Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Yesterday, when I spoke with most of you, we talked about creating a visual schedule for yourself, writing down all the assignments that are due, and then checking them off as you complete them. So for today, you have a daily smile, a daily movement, PE, a language arts activity on compare and contrast, math, comparing and ordering integers, science, a quizzes on Earth Day, and continuing in your COVID-19 journal for history. The homework is to read 30 minutes on Epic, Scholastic, Mayan, or just a book from home. I hope you guys have a great day. Get all your assignments in. If you have any questions or need any clarification on codes, please reach out, either Remind, Google Classroom, or email. All right, have a great day.